Hi boys and girls, please write your name at the top of your paper. This week we are working with the syllable type long vowel silent E. And the long vowel we are working with is U. U can make two sounds. We can make it short sound, umbrella, or its long sound, unicorn. Today we're going to be writing words that match with the picture. So looking at the word box at the top, our first word next to the pencil is mute. Mute. And you can see with the word mute, we have that long vowel, silent E. And we're going to write the word mute with the matching picture. You. Don't forget that silent E on the end. That silent E is the reason why that U is saying its long vowel sound U. Our next word is mule. Mule. A mule is just another word for donkey. Mule. Long vowel, silent E. Can you find the picture of the mule? Mule. Mule. I'm going to put my long vowel silent E gesture at the bottom of the word mule. I like to cross off the words as I go so I don't lose my spot. Our next word is cute. 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 Long vowel, silent E. And cute goes with the teddy bear. See how cute that teddy bear is? Cute. And please put the gesture at the bottom. And I like to cross it off when I'm done to stay organized. My next word is tube. T-U-B. Tube. Can you please find a picture of tube? Like a tube of toothpaste. T-U-B. Tube. Long vowel, silent E. And our next word is the word fuse. Fuse. A fuse is something that carries electricity. So you can see with the word fuse, I have long vowel, silent E. And this picture right here, you can kind of see that static electricity going through that, and that is our fuse. Fuse. Long vowel, silent E. Cross it off when you're done to stay organized. The next word is huge. 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 Can you find the picture that would represent the word huge? That's right. Look at those cupcakes. The one the arrow is pointing to is huge. 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 And that G is making the soft G sound, J. We're used to G's saying G, but sometimes they can make a soft sound saying J. Huge. Cross it off when we're done. The next word is fume. Fume. Fume is like a type of smell or gas that can be put into the air. Fume. Fume. All right, my friends, you're going to do the last two by yourself. We have the word cube, c-u-b, cube, and tune, t-u-n, tune. Go ahead and flip your paper over when you're done. All right, boys and girls, we are going to be sorting short and long U words. Remember, the short U says umbrella. And long U says U as in unicorn. You will need 2 different colors of crayons. And we're going to use one color for short U. See that swoop above the U? Swoop stands for short. And a different color for long U. Remember that long line. Okay, our first word is shoot. 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 This is the kind of chute like a laundry chute. You can put your laundry into it and it will drop down into the basement. I hear the U sound in shoot, so I'm going to color it yellow. Our next word over is hugs. H-u-g-s. Hugs. I can hear that U saying so it's a short vowel sound. Then we have cube, c-u-b, cube. And I can also see our pattern in that word. One vowel, one consonant, and a silent E at the end. Cube. Then we have dole, d-a-ol, dole, like a dull pencil. Short vowel sound. It's a closed syllable type. With a closed syllable type, we have one vowel followed by one or more consonants, and the vowel sound is short. Next word over is dude. D-u-d. Dude. Again, I can see our long vowel, silent E, syllable type. Our next word is buzz. B-a-z. Buzz. I hear that short U saying Our next word is rude. R-u-d. Rude. Long vowel, silent E. U is saying U. So it is the long vowel sound. Then we have duke, d-u-k, duke. I see the pattern, one vowel, one consonant, and a silent E at the end. So I will color that yellow, long vowel sound. Our next word is hums, h-a-ums, hums, she hums a song. All right, my friends, I'm going to let you finish sorting the rest of the words. Remember, look for that long vowel pattern. One vowel, one consonant, and a silent E at the end. If there's not a silent E, most likely it's going to be the short U sound. Then down at the bottom, friends, we have write the words in proper boxes. So we have the swoop for the short U, and we have the line for the long vowel sound. So then you'll write your words in the proper boxes. All right, my friends, you're going to do great. Go ahead and turn this into the top basket when you're done and move on to Lexia.